Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Hey design enthusiasts and creators, are you tired of spending hours trying to make a decent poster? Well, get ready to unleash your inner design guru because today I'm going to show you how to master poster design in Canva and create absolutely stunning professional looking posters in record time. Seriously, we are talking fast, fun, and fantastic results. Let's dive in. First things first, why Canva? Because it's intuitive, packed with resources, and perfect for everyone from total beginners to seasoned pros who need speed. To kick things off, open your browser and head over to canva.com. Once you are logged in, you have two main options to create a poster. This is option one. It's to use a template. This is my absolute secret weapon for speed. Search poster and you will find thousands of pre-designed templates for literally any occasion, events, sales, announcements, personal use, you name it. This is where we save massive time. Option 2 is to start from scratch. For those with a clear vision, just click Create a Design and choose Poster. You get a blank canvas, giving you full creative freedom. For this tutorial, let's grab a template to show you just how fast this can be. Okay, let me pick a template. Now, let's make it ours. Every template on this poster is customizable. Want a different color? Click the background, open the color palette and pick a new one. Want an image? Go to photos or uploads. If you have your own, drag it over and right click to replace background. See how easy that is? In addition, text. Your message is key. This is where your poster speaks. You will click on any text box to edit. And now for the fun part, typography. Canva has thousands of fonts, but here is a pro tip for speed and good design. Stick to 2 to 3 fonts maximum. One for your main headline, maybe one for subheadings, and one for body text. Use different sizes and weights to create a clear hierarchy. Your main message should jump out. Also, always remember alignment. Use Canvas guides to keep things neat. Now, let's talk visuals. Go to the Elements tab. This is a gold mine. You'll find icons, shapes, lines, frames, stickers, basically anything you need to add visual flair. Need an arrow? Search arrow. Drag an element into your poster. You can resize it, change its color, and even adjust its transparency to create cool layering effects or subtle backgrounds. If your template doesn't have an image or you want to swap it out, go to Photos for stock images or uploads for your own. Another neat trick, use frames from the Elements tab, drag your photo into the frame and it automatically crops. Super clean. Layering. Sometimes elements overlap. Use the position tool, right click or up in the toolbar to bring elements forward or send them backward. This gives your poster depth. You have got the tools. Now let's apply some quick design principles that instantly elevate your poster. White space is your friend. Don't cram everything in. Leave empty space around your elements. It makes your poster feel clean, professional, and helps the important stuff stand out. Think of it as a breathing room for your design. Color harmony. Choose a color palette that works well together. Canva even helps you with this. Look at the styles, tap for pre-made color palettes you can apply with one click, or use the eyedropper tool to pick colors directly from your uploaded images for perfect matching. Contrast for readability. Make sure that your text contrasts well with its background. Light text on a dark background or dark text on a light background. This seems basic, but it's crucial for quick readability. Clear call to action, CTA. What do you want people to do after seeing your poster? Make that clear. Learn more, buy tickets, visit our website, make your CTA prominent. Alright, your poster is looking amazing. Before you download, to read. Seriously, nothing runs a great design faster than a typo. And then hit that present or full screen button to see how it looks. Ready to share your masterpiece? Click share, then download. For digital use, PNG is great for high quality with transparency. JPG for web. Choose PDF print and select crop marks and bleed. This is essential for professional printers. If you have Canva Pro, choose the CMYK color profile for best print results. If you have Canva Pro, set your brand kit. It saves your logos, brand colors, and fonts, making consistent branding lightning fast. And there you have it. Mastering poster design in Canva is all about leveraging its amazing features, using templates wisely, and applying those core design principles. You are now equipped to create stunning posters faster than ever before. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.